Hi, my name is Teresa Maldonado Marchok, and yes, I'm here in my laundry room, and I'm going to share some tips for how to integrate strengthening exercises while you're doing your laundry. So I have here a kitchen hand towel, and I'm going to lead you through an isometric strengthening series for your shoulder girdle. So palms are up, elbows by your waist. Take an inhale through your nose. And as you exhale through your mouth, you're going to pull your hands apart. Now this is strengthening the rotator cuff muscles, the muscles that help seat your shoulder in the socket well. You inhale on the relaxation and you exhale out your mouth on the separation, on that pull apart. From here, let's go into a shoulder shrug series. So hold on to your towel. Your arms are in a slight V. You're gonna inhale, lift the arms up to the ceiling, and then keeping the elbows straight, pulling the towel apart. Lower the shoulders. Inhale, lift, and as you do this, be mindful of your alignment, that you're not flaring your ribs. Inhale, exhale, pull down. And one more. Inhale and exhale down. Now let's progress to a W. So I'm going to separate my hands a little bit. I'm going to bend my elbows and touch the towel to the top of my head as I continually pull my hands apart. For this one, I'm keeping my shoulder blades down. I inhale as I lift, and I exhale as I pull apart, separating my elbows. Inhale, up. Don't let the shoulders pop up here. Keep them down so you're isolating. And last one. Inhale and exhale. Bring the arms straight down in front of you. Arms are parallel to each other, and pull the hands apart. So here, make sure the hands are just maybe a little bit below shoulder height to encourage keeping the shoulders down. Inhale, relax. Exhale, pull apart. Inhale, relax. Exhale, pull apart. Excellent. Last thing we're going to do is you're going to hold on the towel from behind you with your palms facing your bum and start to pull the hands apart. You'll feel your shoulders working, and then lift the arms up on an inhale and exhale as you lower. Resist the common error to round your back. You don't want to lift the arms at the expense of posture. So keep your chest lifted and only go up as high as you are able to do with a proud chest. Thanks for joining me.